out here dealing with some tires. Check that out. I don't know if you can pick that up, but that thing is huge. It's like the size of a golf ball. And then, what is this? That just happened yesterday. I am over it. Anyway, we off to make this trip to BMW and be there when they first open. So, let's hit the streets. Let's go. While we're waiting on my new tires, we come over here to the showroom. Check it out. We got an M5 behind me, and a i5 40. They didn't have the tires in stock, so back home we go. We'll be back Tuesday because Monday's a holiday, so they can't get the tires. Lovely, just lovely. At least the tire's not leaking, so. Well, I did enjoy the drive over. So, not all is a loss. Back home we go.
The next day.
Alright. So, new Emblem came in. Oh, it came with two of them. Came with two of them, that's great. Big one and a small one. I'm assuming this one's for the hood and this one's for the trunk. So next step is to pop these bad boys in and get the car looking back better. Cause we can't be riding around with a BMW with no BMW logo on it. That don't make sense. All right, so now we need to replace this ugly thing because I don't know what happened to the cover. We gotta get that fixed right now. Got the little emblem here, so it looks pretty simple to put in. Let's see how simple it really is. I thought they screwed on, but after careful research on YouTube, I realized it's just stuck on there. So you need something to get up under there and get it out. Take it on, use a little rag. All right. Just gotta keep working. Almost. There we go. All right. Boom. We out of there. Perfect. That's one. Trying to do this without scratching the paint is nerve-wracking. There we go. That's good. See? Sometimes I use my head. All right, it's all clear. Now we reinstall the new ones that the new Emblem came with. And then since it is easy line, all you do is pop in. We're good to go.
Nice.
Take off the protective cover.
Mama, we did it.
That was surprisingly easy and satisfying. All right, we got it all on there. Okay, look, this new, cause this was not the business. All right, so got a meeting in 7 minutes. I need to hop on. So let's get back to it, and we'll pick this up at another time.
Early the next morning.
What up, y'all? We're trying this one more time back across town. About to pull up to West Houston BMW to get this tire. And to get here, we had to get here early in the morning on a Wednesday because I have to work. So pulling up, and it is 7:34. I was supposed to get here at 7, but waking up at 6. That waking up at 6 wasn't gonna happen. So here we are. Pulling up. Let's get this tire. Let's get this shmoney. Since it's so early, I'm just gonna wait on my vehicle while they change the tires, because it's like I'm going on 8. I don't start work till 9, so I don't have much to do. So I'm just gonna chill and get some coffee. But in the meantime, let's check out what they got in stock today on the showroom floor. We're gonna start with this M5 Wagon. This is finished in techno-violet metallic, and it is absolutely stunning. It's purple with blue hues in it. It looks amazing. What do you feel about a purple wrap on M550? Should I do it? Try it out? Maybe. I think I'll stick with blue. Maybe blue. 143, sheesh. Of course, it is a plug-in hybrid. Check that out when you go see the other one over there. But this purple color is still. This is a wagon, so they extend the roof line. Diffuser here. Quad tailpipes. Nasty. I want to start it up. Sitting here in a new M5 and holding the steering wheel makes me just want a new steering wheel for my M550. The upgraded pedals are so nice, and the M1 and M2 buttons. I need that. I need that in my life. But interior of the new 5 is actually pretty nice. Got the white leather, got the carbon details, Bowers and Wilkins speakers, or carbon that goes across the car, ambient lighting system, giant screen. I'm not even, nope. And the M5 seats. M5 seats look amazing. They feel good. They hug you really nice. So if you have a bigger waist or bigger back, might be an issue. I like it. Got a blacked out X6, black interior, black exterior, black rims, and blacked out grille. Nice. You got the little brother stakes, X4. Similar spec, black on black. Just these wheels are smaller. Both have the And for American cups, I need to get some outside of the new M5s. I think this is my favorite vehicle on the floor right now, here today. I think this is one of the best looking BMWs they made in a long time. This interior color is spot on. It's like a color of a baseball glove. I would definitely consider replacing my car with one of those. Yep. Whenever it goes off into greener pastures, we'll consider it. We also have another M5, but this finished in Brooklyn gray. Still nice, but it has nothing on that purple. Yeah, I'll have to get a new steering wheel soon. All right, I can help with that.
All it needs is your autograph, as per usual. Gucci.
Appreciate it. Until next time. Absolutely.
If you do need another tire, next time just let me know, because now that I know the size of your tires,
Yeah.
those are special order. I thought those are regular tires that we can get. Shoot me a text, let me know, then that way I can get it here.
Okay.
Advance, that way we don't have to wait
Yeah,
for the
I
process.
meant to send it to you, but I forgot. Appreciate it. And just like that, back on the road. I got 45 minutes to make it across town. All right, 45 minutes to make it across town for my meeting at 10, I think. Okay, that's my phone. So, let's see, let's check it out. Yeah, 10:05. It's 10:19. That ain't bad. We got time. So yeah, new tire. All I had to pay was $50 deductible. Got there at 7:30. Out of there by before 9:30. Wasn't too bad. That was with them installing the tire, contacting the warranty claim people, and then we out. So now we got this 30-minute drive or so. Maybe longer because people don't know how to drive in Houston in the rain. But we on the way. Catch y'all at the other side. Alright, so we've made it back home just in time for all our meetings and such. So had to do the grown-up thing. But check out, let's unpack what we went through here. So of course they replaced the front passenger tire with another Michelin Pilot Sport for like what I had on there, of course, because I just got that tire maybe like a month ago, and it had less than 1,000 miles, or probably about 1,000 miles on it. Because I just had to replace both the front tires, and this one just went out. So of course I had the bubble in it, and they replaced that. The breakdown of that one was it was gonna cost $341 total. I walked out spending $50 or $58. No, exactly $50. I'm okay with that. I'm okay. Hey, you know, the tax on it was $24. So me paying $50 is a win. I know my tire warranty and extended service warranty people hate to see me coming. Cause baby, I'm getting my money's worth. And because like I said in the last video, owning a BMW or used BMW is not for the weak of heart. And here we are. I'm making the best of the situation because I did my research and it's working out for me. No complaints. I knew what I was getting myself into, and I'm working the system. But hey, you know, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Thanks for coming to hang out with me while I get this tire and replace that emblem. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Got some more stuff coming all the time. So much stuff coming. And I appreciate you guys. Thanks for checking it out. Catch you in the next one.